Legends of Learning presents the Felix's Fraction Farm Game. This is a math game that makes learning about fraction decomposition fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, get started working as a farmer in Felix's farm. A drone helps you learn the farming arts, from sowing the seeds to harvesting the crops, all by learning fraction decomposition. Build and expand the farm by delivering fresh and green veggies to the nearby township. Spend your day with Felix and Happy Farming. Learn more about fraction decomposition whilst working at Felix's farm. You will click on the different seeds to select which seeds to plant to grow crops. Click on the water to help it grow. Click on all the produce to harvest it, and then deliver the fresh produce to the market. Separate the instructed fractions of the land to prepare it for sowing seeds to grow produce. Use your math skills to identify the correct fractions to progress to the next level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.